Hi, Ronnie.
Hi, everybody. Good evening. How are you guys?
Very well, thank you. So, would you like to share a quick feedback
Yeah,
about?
a little bit. Hello, everyone. My name is Ronnie, and I am from the Philippines. But right now, I am currently in Saigon. I am teaching here as an English teacher with kids from ages 13 months, I know 16 months to 5 years old. So I'm very happy to be here right now, and I think what I have learned uh, is about the difference between accommodation and modification. Where in accommodation, there is a little bit of changes on how the student learns toward the materials, and while modification is a complete change, or there is a big change in the curriculum or material on what the students are expected to learn or what the students are being taught. So I think, yeah, I'm just happy overall. Thank you.